In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in ClickUp. Let's start from your main workspace. First, make sure you're in the correct list view where your task lives. The list view is the layout that shows your tasks in rows, kind of like a spreadsheet. If you're not already there, switch to list view from the top of your screen so you can easily find and open the task you want to work on. Once you're in your list view, locate the task where you want to add a checklist. Click directly on that task to open its detailed view. This will slide out or pop up a panel with all the information about the task, such as description, assignees, due dates, and more. Inside the task view, scroll down until you see the section labeled Checklists. This section might be collapsed if you haven't used it before, so keep an eye out as you move down the page. When you find it, click on the option that says Create Checklist. This is where the structure of your checklist will begin. A new checklist box will appear and you'll be prompted to give it a name. Click into the name field and type in the name of your checklist. Choose something that clearly describes what the checklist is for. For example, launch prep, client onboarding, or daily review. A clear name makes it easier to identify your checklist later, especially if you end up adding more than one to the same task. Now it's time to add your first checklist item. Click on Add Item, then type in the first step or action you want to track, and press Enter on your keyboard. This creates the first line of your checklist, complete with a little checkbox you'll be able to tick off later. To add your second item, click Add Item again. Type in the second action or step, then hit Enter once more. You'll see it appear right under the first one, building out your process in a simple visual way. Repeat this process for your third item. Click Add Item, type in the third checklist item, and press Enter. You can continue doing this as many times as you need until your checklist includes every step you want to track for this task. Once you're done, your checklist is ready to use. As you work through the task, you can come back to this section and tick off each item, helping you stay organized and making it clear what's been completed and what still needs attention.